I'm Zena Corbin, that's Zenna Corbin, and I own Chipley Gun and Pawn in Chipley, Florida. And I'm a small business owner. I've been in business 29 years in Chipley. And we're very concerned with what the new taxes and the new increases in the insurance cost. And I employ, somewhere from between normally 4 to 6, 7 people at a time. And it will affect us. The Obamacare, that we're not against having insurance. That's not the deal. It's just the way it's been done. It's not correct for this country. I'm worried about the condition of our nation. I'm seriously concerned. That's why I drove over from Chipley to be here.
So,
Rick Kirchner.
so Rick, talk a little bit about how your feelings about the Obamacare legislation and the suggestion that it may be unconstitutional and need to be dismissed.
Well, I'm not a legal expert, but I do see the suffering that is occurring in the business community related to this legislation that was passed. And I hope that one way or another, we can go back to what we had before, which is a healthcare system that remains in the private sector as much as possible, because that is the only way that costs are going to be minimized and the health of the economy is going to be maximized. I can see a lot of suffering in small businesses today, in the small business people that I know, and in terms of the extra taxes and the requirements, all kinds of requirements in this Obamacare legislation that people didn't even know about when they voted for it, that the congressmen didn't even know about when they voted for it.
Thanks, Chris Peaks.
So Chris, what do you think about the Obamacare legislation and the question of its constitutionality?
Well, I'm still, like I said, torn between it. I mean, either way it goes, we want to end up paying for it. If the law passes through and we're forced to get insurance, it's going to make everybody's price go up. If it doesn't go through, the people that can't afford insurance are going to end up going to Medicaid, Medicare, whatever, and so we're still going to end up paying for it one way or the other. I think the debate is which is going to cost the less. That's my opinion.